Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious pickled jalapenos and carrots. First, gather your fresh ingredients like crisp jalapenos, sweet carrots, garlic cloves, and your favorite pickling spices. Next, prepare your brine by combining water, vinegar, salt, and sugar in a saucepan. Finally, ensure your jars and lids are thoroughly sterilized to guarantee safe and long-lasting preservation of your tasty creation. Now, let's get those vegetables ready. Carefully slice your jalapenos into uniform 1/4 inch rounds, removing the stems. Then, cut your carrots into thin coins or small sticks, ensuring they are roughly the same size for even pickling. Once your vegetables are prepped, bring your prepared brine mixture to a gentle simmer over medium heat, stirring until the salt and sugar are fully dissolved. It's time to combine everything. Neatly pack your sliced jalapenos, carrots, and a few garlic cloves into the sterilized jars. Make sure not to overfill them. Carefully pour the hot brine over the vegetables, ensuring you leave about 1/2 inch of headspace from the rim. Wipe the rims clean, then seal the jars tightly with their lids. Finally, process them in a boiling water bath for 10 minutes. After processing, carefully remove the jars and let them cool completely on a wire rack. You'll hear the satisfying pop as they seal. Once cooled, store your delicious pickled jalapenos and carrots in a cool, dark pantry for up to 2 months. They're perfect for adding a spicy, tangy kick to any meal. And hey, if you're looking to upgrade your clean game, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.